quickly, we will be checking out this Penex 999 and see how it has been going for a while right now. Okay, so we're going to check it out together and see what we can come up with this particular asset. Okay, but before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly let's dive into it right away. So if you should notice, for some days now we've been milking this Paynex 999 back to back. Okay, so at first we started with the uptrend, which happened from this support region to this very it ended it at this resistance zone. Okay, so it gave us an uptrend signal at this point after getting to the support zone, gave us the buy signal, and we followed it till the very end of the trend. This is 15-minute time frame, so this is not a short-term trade. Okay, so it's a very long-term trade. Okay, so you should understand that. Okay, so after getting to the resistance zone, we decided to sell also. So we sold right from this resistance zone after giving us a downtrend signal and of course the sell signal, and we saw till it got to the support zone again. So right from there, it also gave us an uptrend signal because it's unable to break out from here. And of course, we bought till the very end. It broke out from the last resistance zone to get to a new resistance zone, and this was the last one we okay, the sell signal. So it gave us a downtrend signal right from there, and of course gave us a sell signal, and we saw till the very end. Like I have always been telling you, trend trading strategy is always the best because it gives you an opportunity to trade a particular trend for a very long time, most especially if you are able to get into it when the trend is just starting. Okay, so you will enjoy it to the very end. There will be pullbacks in between, but you will always end up in profit. Okay, so this is very, very important. So if you should notice, we went on uptrend at this point, downtrend, uptrend, and of course downtrend again. Got to this support zone. We were hoping that it will not be able to break out from there. Unfortunately, but fortunately for those that are still selling, it broke out below it and it sold for a very long time. Check it out. It sold for a very long time, even though it played around there, struggled around the support zone to see if it would go back into an uptrend, but it was unable to go into an uptrend fully. So it broke out below the support zone and sold more. Okay, so it has gotten to a new support region again. Okay, those way you're seeing it right there. You can see go there around there, had a pullback, came back down to try it out again. If it breaks out below it, it will sell more. If it does not, then it will try to go back up and may likely get to this spot. Okay, and of course, guys, once it breaks out from here, then it's going to buy more, and we expect it to get to this particular region if it buys more. Okay, so this is very, very important. Okay, so this is how beautiful it is. Once you understand the strategy, you will be able to milk the market successfully. What are the things you should look out for before you place your trade? The first thing you should look out for, which is the most important of all, is the trend. Okay, so you need to confirm the trend. Okay, once you are able to get the trend right, then you will milk the market for long. Okay, and of course the second thing is if it is coming from a resistance zone, and the third thing, or if it is coming from the support region. Okay, so that will help you to determine if it's going to be an uptrend or a downtrend. Okay, so if it's an uptrend, then you should only follow the buy signal. If it is a downtrend, you should only follow the sell signal. Okay, so all these are very, very important. Once you are able to get all this right, you are most likely to be making profitable trades all the time. Okay, some of you might be asking me, how can you identify the trends? Okay, so there are different ways of identifying the trends. If you are good with your basic knowledge, you will be able to do this. Okay, but if you are not very good with that, then definitely you might need some indicators that can help you to achieve this. Personally, I am using this custom made indicator called 3M Trend Milker Trading Indicator. It gives me joy in analyzing the assets. The reason is um, just looking at the assets alone, looking at the chart alone, I can easily say where the direction of the chart is going. For instance, right from here, I know that this has already resistance zone. So the only thing I need to be sure is that if it's going to break out above it or if it's to change the direction of the trend. So how do I know it has changed direction of the trend? Check it out. It's changed from this yellow color to red color, which means it has changed the direction of the trend in this situation. And of course, I've been given a sell signal right from there. So I just need to follow the sell signal to the very end. And of course, you can see how profitable that will have been. Okay, so that is how beautiful it is. So you guys can also lay your hands on this particular trading tool, and it will help you to make some good money right from there. Okay, we'll be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash. And if you have any question at all, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section. And of course, guys, you can always reach out to me via WhatsApp. I will be there to reply you. Make sure you practice very well on your demo account first before you try any strategy on your real account. This is very, very important. I will be stopping right here. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.